We'll guide you through how to make eye blink effect in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create a glowing eye blink effect with random color lighting that makes videos look more dynamic and visually striking. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the tutorial smoothly without interruptions during the editing process. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen properly. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace for editing your video. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings before starting the editing process. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm and apply the settings correctly. Next, click Import. Select the video you want to use, then click Open to add the file into the Media Library panel. Drag and drop the imported video into the timeline section so you can begin editing it directly. Select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any mismatch issues during editing. After that, click the Effects menu to access the available visual effects in the software. Click the search bar, type eye blink, then press Enter to quickly find the related effect options. Once the results appear, select Body Effects to filter the results and narrow down the available choices. Find the blinking eyes effect from the list of options shown on the screen. Then drag and drop it onto the video in the timeline so the effect is applied directly to the clip. Go to the right side to open the Effects panel where you can adjust the effect settings. You can adjust the settings or leave them as default depending on your preference. Here, adjust the intensity to 1 so the blinking effect appears clearly but still looks natural. After that, click the full screen icon to view your project more clearly without distractions. Go to the bottom left and click the play button to start the preview playback. See the result. The eye blink effect in Filmora is successful.